printer is getting jam, paper is not fitting well. How to clear the paper jam in this Canon ink tank printer? We need a hard sheet kind of that. Okay, so I will insert because something stuck down there, right over here or here. So what I am going to do, first of all, we remove screws to and you can see that thing is stuck. You have to pull over. So you can see the fly is inside. You need a hard sheet to clear the jam or any obstacle inside this Canon ink tank printer. So now I will turn back on and I will check. You can see it's working fine. The issue was that foil is fallen from the paper input tray, and you have to clear the any obstacle jam over there. If you have any other question, you can ask down in the comments. Subscribe.